It's really muddy today. You can see a lot of deer tracks. Alright, here's the spot that we were at. Whatever that thing was that was watching us, it would have been just behind this tree here. It would have been about in this area here, somewhere in this area. Whatever the heck it was. Somewhere, oh, right here. Somewhere right here. It was close. Yeah, it was somewhere in this area. Whatever the heck it was. And plus it's rained since then.
You hear anything out here walking?
Yeah. No hunting. What is that?
I don't know.
What the fuck just made that sound, dude?
What, no dog?
Dude, that was weird.
That's over that way.
Dad, I know you heard that, man. That was fucking weird, Dad.
Cyrus must be messing with it, whatever it was.
Listen. Dad, that was weird as hell, man.
Back over that way.
I apologize for the wind that's blowing, everybody. It's gonna be kind of windy in the microphone. I don't have a windscreen on it right now. Dad, that wasn't no dog, dude.
No.
It was like a woo, woo kind of sound. Just so we got some backup footage in case anything happens to this, I want you to start rolling on this camera, Dad. Logan needs to stay close to us, Dad, if he's gonna be out here with us. Ain't no telling what's out here.
good stick up feet on the tree.
Here, start rolling on that, just in case. Start filming everything. There it goes again. Shh.
Think we'll make a noise, see if it respond back. It ain't far, it's that way. Whatever it was.
What is all this plastic shit right here torn up on the ground?
I don't know. Trying to make out what that noise is. It ain't no dog. Maybe a cow. I wouldn't think no cow would do that.
I want to know what the hell tore up all this plastic on the ground and where it came from. Logan, be quiet. There's something going on right now. We're trying to figure out what's making that noise. If you're gonna come with us, you need to stay close.
I heard something growling.
Just now?
Something out there somewhere, still like it's growling. I wouldn't think that'd be a cow. I don't remember no cow pastures out here.
That was a weird sound, whatever that was.
Yep. Don't really see anything out of ordinary.
It's so damn thick back here too.
Trees are kind of weird how they fell together. I'm looking to see if I can find trees broke over, you know, halfway up or anything out of the ordinary.
Give me just a minute.
There's been some trees broken off up there real tall.
There's briars everywhere.
I know, got a leg full.
There ain't no going through that way. It's too damn thick. What tree? This one?
Front top over there. It's been broke off. anything strange, take a picture.
I did.
Whatever it was just over there.
Started when a siren going down the highway. That's by the time we showed up too.
Wind sure is blowing hard, dude. I apologize for the wind blowing. It's kind of strong. Definitely gonna hear it in the mic.
Whatever that was, it was a car, or maybe 100 yards.
Listen, shh. I hear it again. Hear that?
There it is, it's going farther that way.
Yeah. It's going away from us. Logan, quit moving. I know y'all heard that. There was something this way this time. I got an idea. Let's go back out. There's something else. If y'all think y'all can make it down there, there's something down there, another picket fence. I think there's another part of the battlefield down there. If you listen very closely right here and cut up your volume, you can distinctly hear 3 tree knocks in the background. Just now?
Something out there somewhere still like it's growling.
There's a deer stand. Or deer feeder, one or the other. I hope Logan don't get lost. Logan! Dude, this shit goes on forever, man. Hey, check this out. Don't this look weird? Come here, look at this. Don't this look kind of, I mean, it's possible that it could all blown over that way, but it looks like this right here, look.
Don't shake.
It's like something can like hide up in there, man. That's weird how all this brush is right here in this one spot. Don't you feel that way?
Mm-hmm.
It is weird how all this trees and everything is right here in this like corner. Dude, this is like a dome. Weird, man. It's very weird. If you throw some brush over that, some leaves, man, you can make that a shelter, dude. It's just weird how all these sticks and shit are like this, Dad. Dude, no, Dad, come here, dude. No, for real, you gotta look at this, Dad. This is like legit right here. These trees, come here. Some of these little trees, you see this? It's used as a brace for this. Do you see that? That little tree was deliberately woven up in there to make it a brace for this. And this one too. Do you see what I'm talking about?
Yep.
They're twisted around each other, Dad. Nature cannot do that. Like this limb here, right there, twisted around it. This little tree here is twisted around it to make it like a support. All of those little trees were done deliberately this way to hold this up.
Like a shelter or something.
This whole little place right here is like that. Dad, I can't see nature doing that, man. All these little sticks and shit is interwoven around each other, man, to make this.
Yep.
That's weird. Dad, nature can't do that, man. All of this shit was broken. Come look at this. This shit was broken off, dude. Are you looking at this? These big ass limbs were broken and snapped. Right there. Right there. I'm talking about pretty sizable limbs here. Not no little bitty limbs. You can see the size of that. This shit was broken off right there, dude, and twisted. That shit, man, it's just weird, dude, how all this is like this. Like that thing right there, you can like kind of climb up that thing.
What is that?
I don't know, what the hell is that, a mushroom?
No, hold on. Oh,
This is just fucking weird how all this shit is like this, guys. Where? Yeah, I see what you're talking about. Something's been... Come look at this. Come look at this, Dad. See how all this is rubbed off and it looks like something's been like scooping shit out of this tree?
Yep.
There's like holes all in it, like something's been digging for worms or something, bugs.
Possibly a woodpecker.
Possible, yeah, a woodpecker. I don't know what that white thing is.
It's more on the other side. Something long.
That's a tree. It's a tree that was cut down.
Now the bark's off from it.
There's
a bunch of trees that's off the boat.
It's weird how they're all accumulated right here. Alright, now I can see maybe that happening, okay? But what I don't understand is how all them little trees over there are like interwoven around it to like give it support over there, dude.
Yep.
Like I don't see nature weaving trees together.
What is that?
No.
What are you talking about?
Look, they're holes. They're
You talking about? Yeah, I see what you're talking about. It kind of looks. Look at this. I see what he's talking about. It kind of looks like tunnels through the brush. You see that, Dad?
Yeah.
There's been bad things. It's real windy and cold here. And there's something knocking the wind out from it.
You can see where this shit's been draining down. Holy shit.
Like something kind of laying down right there.
Yeah, deer right there. But this right here is what I was looking at. Kind of looks like some kind of weird opening where something can just go through there. Hey, is there anybody back there? This tree right here was actually pushed over. It's like uprooted out of the ground. The hell? There's one more place I want to check out, and then we're going to go. I'm getting cold. My hands are cold. You see something?
Thought I did.
What'd you see?
Saw something black. I think it's that tree.
Probably, buddy.
Okay.
You see where that tree's broken off at the top? Yeah, you can clearly see that's been snapped off at the top there. Whatever the heck did that. What is that, a cedar right there?
Jay knows.
Yeah, you can see what I'm talking about, don't you?
What does that cedar mean?
It's a type of tree.
Okay.
Yeah, it's been snapped at the top. Right at the, and it's fresh.
Yep.
That's fresh, dude.
Yeah, what I said I want to go. It's fresh, like yesterday or something.
They're fresh.
That was just done.
Ain't been long.
That's weird.
There's a lot of trees have been broke off in the past right here too, snapped off.
The unexplained whooping sounds that we heard in the woods, we chopped it up just to being cows in the distance, because there are cows around, and cow pastures. But that still doesn't explain the tree knocks that we heard in the distance. Well, let me take that back. We actually didn't hear them, but my microphone sure did after I reviewed the footage. Cows can't do that. It takes hands to do something like that. Not to mention the structure that we found that seemed to be woven together. I don't think nature can do that. And also the tree breaks that we seen that were fresh, it seemed to be at least 7 to 10 feet off the ground. Now that's pretty strange as well. We're going to continue to investigate this area. Thank you everybody for tuning in and watching. We'll have more content on the way. Please hit the like button. Thank you.